morning, or afternoon. It's already afternoon.
Yes, it is.
Try again.
It did it.
Thank you.
Thank you. Good afternoon, everybody. We are here at the Magic Kingdom because we both had the day off and it's a Thursday. It's rainy. I figured probably a good chance to get on a couple of good rides. We're just gonna hang out. Magic Kingdom closes at 9 today because it's an extra Magic Hour event. So we've just got a couple fast passes. We already had lunch. We're just gonna mosey around and take some cool shots and maybe get a snack or two. So stick around if you want to join us for the day. Say hi. All right, let's go get started.
Now I'm the king of the swingers, oh, the jungle VIP. I've reached the top and had to stop, and that's what's bothering me. I wanna be a man cub, and stroll right into town, and be just like the other men. I'm tired of walking around, oh.
Alright guys, so we just got off Haunted Mansion. It stopped while we were in the middle, like literally the same time. It always stops for us, it stopped there. So now we're gonna go head over to like Frontierland, Adventureland. We have a fast pass for Big Thunder, but it's not for at least another hour. So maybe we'll try the Pirate Adventure or get a return time for Splash. Not really sure. But it's creeping towards like 2 o'clock for the 2 o'clock parade, so I don't want to be anywhere near that. So we're gonna go find something else.
I wanna be like you. I wanna walk like you, talk like you too. You say it's true. And it's like me. And like to be human too. Oh, I wanna be like you. I wanna walk like you, talk like you too. You say it's true. And it's like me. And like to be human too.
Okay guys, so we just completed 2 maps. So we got our Pirates of the Caribbean Fast Pass. So after you complete 2 maps, turn them in for your cards. You also get completion cards that look on the back just like the map that you completed. And then on the other side, there's usually like some type of talisman. So we're gonna go, we got a 3rd map. We might go start our 3rd map, but we also have fast passes that we can use to get on Pirates. So I think that's what we're gonna go do next. Alright guys, so after you complete the entire map journey, you get these completer cards that are signed by Captain Jack himself that says you are obviously a master treasure hunter and worthy pirate. I will humbly accept a sizable portion of the proceeds of my commission and for safekeeping, of course. Sincerely, Captain Jack Sparrow. So we completed a pirate's adventure and look forward to what is wrong back there?
It's finished.
Alright, so anyways, so if you guys are looking for something fun to do while you're over in Adventureland, check out the Pirate's Adventure. I think you're taking the Alright, so because we got extra fast passes for completing all of the maps, I have 2 extra fast passes for Pirates. I'm gonna see if I can find a party of 2 who wants to leave the standby line and join us. And I got this idea from Paging Mr. Morrow. Him and Veronica do this all the time in their vlogs, and I think it's a really awesome idea. So I'm gonna see if I can pass it on. All right, let's go see if we can find someone.
Don't try to kid me, man cub. I made a deal with you. What I desire is man's red fire to make my dream come true. Now give me the secret, man cub. Come on, clue me what to do. Give me the power of man's red flower so I can be like you. Oh.
Go fast pass.
Hey, are Are you guys going in standby? Yeah. Do you want to ride Fast Pass? I have 2 extra Fast Passes.
Sure, yeah,
Awesome, here you go. Yeah, we're gonna ride it too. Thank you.
I wanna be like you. I wanna walk like you, talk like you too. You say it's true. And it's like me. Can't like to be human too. Oh, I wanna be like you. I wanna walk like you, talk like you too.
Alright, so we just finished Pirates. We're in line for Big Thunder. Met some really awesome people who rode with us, rode Fast Pass. If you ever get a chance to pay it forward, because you never know. Like, it was their last day in the park, they're moving. They were super sweet, and huge shout out to Marissa and Jared. It was a pleasure meeting you.
Sus manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del tren. Cuide a sus pequeñitos. Muchas gracias. Howdy, partners. For your safety, remain seated with your hands, arms, feet, and legs.
It's really hot today, so like I am so excited to get this going and like get some breeze because I am wet.
This here's the wildest ride in the wilderness.
I wanna be like you. I wanna walk like you, talk like you too. You say it's true. And it's like me. Can't like to be human too. Oh, I wanna be like you. I wanna walk like you, talk like you too. You say it's true. And it's like me. Can't like to be human too. Can't like to be human too. Can't like to be human too.
Alright, so we're about to go. That's gonna do it. We just finished Splash. We had a busy day doing the Pirates adventure. Look for like the full video later. We rode Big Thunder. What else did we do? We did the Haunted Mansion. We did a lot. So anyways, thanks for sticking around. If you like what you see, make sure to hit that subscribe button and hit the little notification so that way you guys know when new videos come out. And I look forward to the next video. Bye guys. Bye.